Ever used 1 equals 1 join condition? This join tactic will change how you do joins. So let's learn something new and game-changing while solving the SQL question. Also, insert table and record scripts are provided in the video's description. Let's dive in. To understand 1 equals 1 join concept, let's solve this question. Which salesperson or salespeople, if there's more than one, exceeded the company's average sales? And what were their total sales? And the company's average sales. Okay? We will be using two tables. Salesperson alias S, products sold table alias P, short for product sold. Okay, we will start by typing our select statement. So select, let's get the name first. Okay, salesperson name. So S dot name, comma, count. What do I want to count? I want to count the distinct. P dot product ID as unique products sold. Okay, so give me the name, give me the unique count for product IDs, give me the unique count. Okay, comma, sum, I'm doing another aggregation, so sum P dot sales amount. I also want to find the total sales, so as total sales. Okay, from salesperson as S, join products sold, P is your alias, on, we will do the join, salesperson join and products sold join on S dot salesperson ID equals P dot salesperson ID. The common column, we are joining on the common column that both tables have. Okay, now what I will do is group by. Since we are using two aggregate functions, count and sum, so we have to group by S dot name. Okay, let's see what this is giving us. We are not done with the question yet, but this is just a start. So let's see what we are pulling. Okay, hit execute. Now this is giving me the name of all the salespeople. Okay, it's giving me the unique products sold. So Alice sold 6 products. It can be one transaction. It can be more than one transaction. So more than one transactions as well. So total number of 6 products Alice sold. And the sales was made 1,494. Okay. This is not just one transaction. This could be more than one transactions. Now let's get company's average sales. How will you get company's average sales on each line or on each row? Okay, so what I will do is I will do a subquery. I will start with joining the subquery. Okay, so join, I'm going to write a subquery, open parentheses and close parentheses. Okay, so I will write select average. So this is the aggregate function, open parentheses, close parentheses. What are you averaging? Averaging sales amount. Okay, select average sales amount as average sales. Okay, from products sold. So what I'm saying is, give me average sales amount from product sold table. I will give this subquery a name as overall average sales. So overall average company sales is a long name. I will just type overall, short for overall average, overall company's average sale. Okay, this will become the name for this and a column. Now, interesting part is, where will you join? You will do the join since you want to show it on each line as a column. For every line, you want to show that average sales. This is the interesting part. You will join it on 1 equals 1. Okay? What is this doing? What is this going to do? Join on 1 equals 1 is a way to add a constant subquery value to each row of your main result. This is your main result. You want to show this query, constant subquery result on each row. Let me quickly show you what I mean by that. Stay tuned. 1 equals 1 Sqljoin concept is nothing but adding another column within your table. So for example, on your left side, you're seeing 3 columns: ID column, name column, value column. For value column, the average for 10, 20, 30 is equals 20. That's your average value. I want to add the average value column next to value to show each line. If you look on your right side, I have now added average value column. So basically it's showing 20 on each row. It is showing the overall average value in each row next to the value given for the salesperson. Okay, so this is the 1 equals 1 Sqljoin concept. Let's get back and continue with our query. I just wrote a subquery to get the overall company's average sales. So let's add the average sales, this up here in my main query. Okay, so you can type it after your total sales, comma, you just take the name that you just created for your subquery, overall dot, and you will take this average sales to show as a column. So overall dot average sales, okay, from this. And then since we are not doing any sum or count, any aggregate function, you have to declare this in group by function. So s dot name, comma, you write this, either copy or write this here. Okay, let's run this. We are still not finished with our question, but let's run this and see what it's giving us. Okay, select all, hit execute. See, it is now giving me, along with the name, the number of products sold by this person is 6. Total sales this person has made 1,494. Average sales per transaction for the overall company was 251. So I still don't know if Alice has made any singular transaction that was above the company's average sales. So we still have to find that out. And how will you do that? Here, after the overall average sales, I'm going to write a quick case when statement. Okay, so I will put comma. Okay, move this down a little bit so you can see everything. Comma, you will do sum case when p dot sales amount is greater than overall dot average sales then 1, else 0 and as, let's write it down, as above average sales. Here I'm saying case when. So when sales amount is greater than the overall company's average sales, then 1, else 0. So every time, for example, Alice made a sales that was above the company's average sales, not the total amount. Remember this. This is per transaction, okay? because there's no sum, remember. Then give me 1, else show me as 0. And if there's more than one sales that Alice made, for example, then you sum it. So for example, if Alice made 2 sales amount that was above average sales, so give me 1 plus 1 equals 2. Just an example, okay? So this will give you your above average sales, the number of times Alice made the sales that was above the average sales. So this is what this will pull, okay? How interesting is that? Let's highlight everything and hit execute and see what it gives me now. Wow. Now you see, this was just a guess. So Alice actually made 2 times sales that was above the average company sales. Okay, so average company sales was 251. Alice managed to make 2 transactions that was above 251. So it could be like 281, 300, 4,000. So each time Alice was able to make more than the average sales. So this is how you will solve the question and also use the 1 equals 1 join condition. This is so cool. This is something interesting that I also love and use quite often. I hope you learned something new and I hope this was helpful for you. For more videos like this, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. I will keep on making such videos. Good luck. Bye.